This brings us to end of a very successful meeting which has highlighted our joint commitment towards a better and a sustainable future for our next generations. Before concluding, I take this opportunity to congratulate His Excellency Mikhail Mishustin, Prime Minister of the Russian Federation, on assuming the chairmanship of the Council of Heads of Government, and assure him of Pakistan's fullest support to their presidency. I reaffirm Pakistan's unwavering commitment to the goals of our common goals and objectives of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Let us prioritize collaboration over political differences and divisions, build on our achievements, address the shared challenges, and work hand in hand to ensure that the SCO remains a beacon of stability, development, and mutual benefits for our peoples. Before concluding, let me say that we cannot ignore the ongoing genocide in Gaza. International community bears the responsibility to ensure an immediate and unconditional ceasefire leading to the establishment of State of Palestine on the basis of pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds as its capital. Excellencies, before I declare this meeting closed, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to all those who have worked with great commitment to ensure the smooth conduct of this meeting, in particular our interpreters. The meeting is concluded. Please join me for the reception in your honor.